So here we are in the living room and the dining combined area. Large mirror wall, beautiful tile. Of our kitchen, dining area. We have a waterfall granite countertop. With a neat little motif built in, like a submarine. Big farmhouse sink. Don't find that in many condos. Gorgeous view out your kitchen window. And then we're gonna go to the guest bedroom first. Down our hallway. Our guest bedroom set up with 2 twins right now. Also got a view out of this window. Closet in here. TV for the kids. And a cute little bathroom in here. HVAC is 2016. It's a Carrier. And it's a 2020 water heater. Go through here, check out the master. Nice big master bedroom. With an awesome view. We're waking up. Pretty cool. And the master bath. And then we'll make our way out to the balcony. This is pretty cool. It's a shark in the tiles. Brand new sliders. Nice big balcony. It's about 15 feet. Actually, I think it's 18 feet. You got a view of the end of Fort Morgan, the Gulf, Mobile Bay. Tennis courts, 2 pools, hot tub, kiddie pool, grilling area, and of course the beach out there.